Okay, so after grouting the seam with mortar all the way around to the outside edge of the brick, first tucking it in with the pointed trowel, brick trowel, and then finishing it with the curved brick trowel. Here's the pointed brick trowel for the really fine seam, and then the curved brick trowel for the finish to go to the outside of the brick for a nice, beautiful, and water and weather resistant seam all the way around. And I cleaned it all up nice and careful, not to hurry but to look for quality more than anything. And then I'll just leave all the rest of this here so that I can backfill the dirt that I poured over here. I'll just backfill all that in front of that bottom window to divert water away from the foundation. Okay, so this is Holiday Handyman with Chili Neil.